So let's start our another part of interview round. And in many companies, this appear as the written test for this. So let you take over here, very fastly. Okay, so I have made it. So these two thing we will be first. Let's do this one. This also I'm giving you as an assignment. But these questions are appear. These all are in the interview. They will not go into the deep. They will just be appearing in a very concise way. So you have to answer them very quickly. Okay. So just have a look. Have a look. Okay. Now let's start it. Okay. So I have made a database. Suppose database I am changing it to uh, Gul, and here also I am changing into Gul. Now let's start it. Okay. So first I will do it. Create database Gul. I have created it. Okay, and I am using this only. Okay, now let's see. The first questions. Create a customer table which comprises of this column. What are the column name? Customer ID, first name, last name, email, address, city, state, zip. So they are going to ask you like this. How, like, they will not go much deep. They will just tell you to create the table, insert it, and play with some data. That's it. Rest you will work in the platform with more advanced things. Okay, like subqueries and these and things. But these are the all the companies are asking these questions, whether they're in the written round, whether in the interview round. So just be with me. So we have to create a table. So we have just created a table here. I'll just show you here of this particular column name here. Now it will be easy for you to see it. Okay, so create a customer table which comprises of this column: customer ID, first name, last name, email, address, city, state. So we have to create like this. Create table customers. In my video lecture, I've already told you that how you will create the table. This is just the revision as well as the interview point of view. This thing. Create table customers. And what column we have to make? Customer ID. So ID is the consist of numerical value, so we have taken in data type. Then first name, which is the characters data type, so varchar we have taken. Last name varchar, email varchar, address varchar, city varchar, state varchar, zip int, and this. So this table has been created. So I'm just running this table. Execute. So now let's see our table column. Uh, Select star from customers. Customers. Okay. So now let's see. It's just running this. See, customer ID, first name, last name, email, address, city, state, zip. Okay. So now another question. Let's come to the another question is, insert five new records into the tables. So we have to insert the records under this customer ID, first name, last name, email, address, city, state, and zip. So let's start this one. So this is insert into customer values. And then first we include the bracket open: ID, first name, last name, email ID, address, city, state, and zip is something like the area code. Okay, so you have to different value you have to insert it. So you see, in all we have then 10, then 20, this we have created. So now let's run this. Insert into customer values, we have recorded 5 records. Just I'm running this. So 5 row affected. Now again, if we see our column, see the values are got inserted, which are here. It is, you may see all are inserted inside this. Okay, so now another question is, select only the first name and the last name column from the customer table. Which we have to select? First name and the last name column from this customer table. So for this one, select first name comma last name from customers. If we'll run this, it will filter only first name and last name. It will give only first name and last name. Okay, to show this is the command. we have to be with. Now I think you have an idea after going with the hand-on session with my lecture. This is might be very easy for you, but guys, I'm really telling, these are the interviews questions from the all the top MNCs. Now another question: select those records where first name start with G and city is San Jose. Okay, so here what we have to do, we are here, we have to use the where command. Okay, because here in the hints it is already given where, so we have to use the where command. So we have to select only those record where the first name starts with G and city is San Jose. So select star all column from customers where first name start from G. So how we'll write this one in coding? Where first name like colon G percentage means after G, whatever it is. Okay, then colon close. And what city we have to take? City is San Jose. So this command already I have taught you in my video lecture. So you have to be there with so many examples I have taught you. Okay, so it will give you only this record San. Got the point? All the details of that customer whose name starts with the G, whose name starts with the Z, first name starts with the G, and city is San Jose. Okay. Now select those records where email has only Gmail. Where email has only Gmail. So we have to write command for this one. How? Select all column from customers where email like colon percent gmail percent. So like this, so gmail should be there, like yahoo.com, gmail.com, many others ids are there for the email ids. So you have to only search for gmail thing. If we run this command, we'll get only the gmail things, gmail things. See, gmail.com, gmail.com, gmail.com. Okay, now but if you run only up to here, select all column from customers, it will give you the other things also. Like here it is Yahoo, because 30 is Yahoo, 30 is Yahoo, so it has not taken this one. This one will take only Gmail thing, it will see all at Gmail thing. Okay, so now here another question: select those records where the last name does not end with A. So here only what we will do, after where what we'll write, last name like not colon percent A. Like means if we remove not means the end with a, if we put not, it will not end with a. So where last name not like percent a. Okay, just read the question, hope you will get it. So please guys, keep this in mind, this is a best practice for you, where it does not end with a, the last name, all this name are does not end with a. Okay, this means that only. So hope guys you got it. So please